friends. So today we will discuss how to calculate left, right, and mid in Excel. So today's topic is very simple, but if we don't know a simple formula, so it become very hurdle for us. So now let's discuss how to calculate left, right side, and mid values of Excel any Excel data. So here are the three example how to calculate left, right, and mid. So this is text. So we have to find only left side, and uh, and we have to find only mid side. So if you are doing a job in accounts and if you are doing job in your banking, so you already know there are the 11 character of IFSC code. So sometimes we have to find fifth character is zero or not. So that time mid formula works. Sometimes we need only fourth character, and when we find out the four digit of pen, so mid formula that time works. And when we find the when we have the GST number, sometimes we find only first two character of GST number. It indicates two state codes, and next code next 10 digit also indicate for the pen number of the uh, individual proprietorship anything any person. So that time left, right, and mid formula works. Now you all know all the things. So how now let's just move on the how to calculate the left formula. So here are the text, and we have to find only left side of text. So what is the left and what is the right? So left side is starting from the word, and right side is end of the word, and mid is and you can start from anywhere. So now let's calculate how to calculate left. So here is the left. Now select the text. So we select the text, and now function ask how many characters do you want from your left side. So I want only four. So here four. I close the bracket. I got the answer. Now second formula is right. So in that case, we find answer from the right side or end side of the end of the word. So here, so we need to find the right fifth character or maybe 10 character as depending on your work, as depending on what you want. So here I will calculate right. I select the text, and how many characters do you want? So let's assume I want only 8 character from the right side. I entered the 8. So 8 is starting from the E. So first is E. First E, B, B, E, I, R, T, E. So from E to E, it's 8 character. Now let's find mid. So we have to find the mid. So let's discuss how to calculate this one. So let's move on mid. How to calculate mid? So mid starting select firstly select the text, and then he asked where you have to start the number, like after four digit, after six digit, after only two digits. So where you want to start from the, so I just start from the uh, fourth. And now they ask how many characters do you want after the fourth, and let's assume I want only fifth letter. Okay, so here from fourth to fifth character. So it's start from the fourth, and he this formula is, gives only the five characters, five letter. So one, two, three, four, five. So it's done. Now I'll share you one example. So let me find one IFSC code, any bank. SDFC IFSC code. Let's assume Gurgaon. So here is code here. Now, so like every most of the or maybe 99% of the IFSC fifth character is 0. So that time we need this formula. So here we calculate MID mid starting from fifth character and end with the one character. They provide you one answer. Now let's find POB C code here. This one, and let's copy this formula again. Also, we got the answer 0. So that time this formula is work. And if you want to know the PAN card through GST number, so let's find the SDFC HDFC GST number. Let's assume. Okay, I'm assuming this is correct GST number. So here is the correct. So now we can use the formula of mid, right, and also we can use left formula. So firstly, we start with the left. So left always first two character indicates the state code, comma 2, bracket close, enter. So 06. So 06 indicate for the Haryana state code. Now we want to know the PAN card of SDFC. So we start with the mid formula here, comma. So we want to start from the third to till uh, 10. Okay. So we got PAN card, and next last three digit is anything. So it is not. So this formula is work. If you know things, so you can easily identify all the things. So it's very useful formula in day-to-day life when you are doing work over the Excel or you are doing any work. So this formula also work here. Okay, thank you so much, my dear friend. Have a good day.